and we've got a whole collection of resources already on KXAN.com/flashfloodalley, including we've partnered with Midland NOAA weather radios, and they're giving KXAN viewers a discount at weather radios that could keep you informed and alert even for storms in the middle of the night. We may get some storms in the middle of the night tonight too, especially in the hill country. Right now, just a few weak showers moving through our eastern counties, although we'll take any showers we can get. You can see them there over portions of Fayette County, southern Bastrop, and far eastern Lee County. The light showers that we've had moving through parts of the metro and the hill country have, for the most part, faded away. There's two separate areas of potential rain that we're looking at. The first is this cluster of storms west of Del Rio. About half of our computer models bring this cluster of storms into the hill country overnight into the first few hours of tomorrow morning. The very likelihood that you get rain actually comes from here, this cold front that will then drop south later tomorrow morning into the afternoon to bring another round of rain and storms. If that first round materializes and moves into the hill country, it may weaken the second round. But the other half of models don't get this round into the hill country, and that leaves the cold front with more unstable air to tap into by the time it gets here. So you'll either get two rounds that are a little weaker, or you'll get one stronger round coming overnight, and especially through the morning and into the afternoon tomorrow. This particular computer model does not do a whole lot with that first round, just a few isolated storms in the hill country overnight into tomorrow morning. And the severe weather threat has lowered. It's not zero, but it's lower. And then you can see the majority of us are waiting for that cold front to get here to bring us the rain. See, at 7 in the morning, not a whole lot of rain around, but the rain coverage blossoms quickly so that by mid to late morning, we've got rain and storms in most areas. And then we're going to see this line of downpours and storms forming ahead of our cold front that may help to concentrate some of the higher rainfall totals in the metro and in our eastern counties where we still have a low severe weather risk. By the end of the afternoon into the evening, the rain and storms pull away and will go largely drier. I'm not saying we're going to be completely dry like this model. I've still got low 30 to then 20% rain chances by daybreak on Sunday. I do think Sunday is going to be much drier than Saturday, and any rain chances that we've got in the morning should drop off in the afternoon under a mostly cloudy sky. So our forecast tomorrow, widespread showers and storms, but some drying possible late in the day. Our high of 75 is going to happen around noon, and then temperatures drop with that cold front. That's also near when the wettest weather of the day comes tomorrow as the precipitation chances rise and then peak late morning and early afternoon and then drop off as we wrap up the afternoon into tomorrow evening. Severe weather risk basically begins in Austin and east, a 1 out of 5. Main concern would be for some damaging wind, a lower threat for hail. Tornadoes not likely, but some localized flash flooding is a possibility when you're looking at a 1/4 inch to an inch of rain. That'll be what most of us see, but some isolated 1 to 3 inch totals in spots. Then your Easter forecast is a cooler forecast, 55 at 9 with some showers around, just a 20% rain chance. That drops to 10 by midday and a mostly cloudy but drier afternoon up to 70. And there may be a few glimmers of sun later in the day as well. Here's our first warning weather 7-day forecast. Monday and Tuesday, just tiny 10% rain chances. Wednesday is dry. Then rain chances ramping up again by the end of next week. Could set us up for a fairly wet second weekend of April as well. That's what the extended outlooks are pointing to.
Right, Nick, thank you very much.